Okay, welcome to day 3 of the 7-day Total Joint Workout Challenge. Once again, my name is Patrick Miller, physical therapist with the Total Joint here in Homewood, Alabama. Okay, so today is a flexibility day. If you've already seen our Instagram post and are following that link here, you will know what the workout is already. We'll be doing some exercises, some stretches specifically for your lower and your upper body, which could be really important to kind of get you nice and mobile and flexible for everything you have to do throughout the day. Okay, first one's pretty easy. It's just a simple quadricep stretch. You've probably seen it before. All you do is stand on one leg and grab the other foot with your hand and really kind of bend your knee and stretch the muscle in the front of your thigh. We'd like to try this about 2 to 3 times, 30-second hold, both legs. If you want to work on your balance a little bit, you would do it in single leg. If you have a hard time doing this, put your hand up against the wall. It's a great source of balance. I wouldn't want you to fall at the same time. Okay, next one's pretty easy too. It's called a calf stretch. It's basically the muscle in the lower part of your leg on the back side. I like to do something called a runner stretch. If you have a wall in your home or out in the community or at work or wherever you might happen to be, it's a good way to kind of stretch that muscle. You can put your hands up against the wall, 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind. Keep your heel on the ground and your leg straight, your knee straight on your back side, and you lean forward, and you should feel that stretch in the muscle of your calf, specifically on the leg that's behind you. So in this case, it would be my left side. Same thing, try 2 to 3 times, about 30-second hold on each leg. Okay, next stretch would be a standing hamstring stretch. What I'd like you to do is you put 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind. The front leg is going to be a little bit straighter with your toes raising up into the air, and I'd like you to lean forward just a little bit, and you're going to feel a stretch on the back side of your leg, right in the hamstring group there. Same thing, hold for about 30 seconds or so, and relax. If I were to switch to the other side here, you can see on my left side, leg out, knee straight, toes up a little bit, lean forward just a little bit at the trunk, and you should feel that stretch down the back side of the leg. 2 to 3 times, 30-second hold. Okay, this is actually my favorite stretch. It's called the downward dog. It's a really common yoga pose, actually. What you're gonna do, if you kind of get down on your floor, wherever you feel comfortable, your arms are gonna be planted, and you're gonna put your legs back, and you're gonna raise your butt up into the air. Kind of keep your back straight and your knees straight if you can, and you're gonna stretch the back side of your legs on both sides. You'll feel a stretch down the both of your legs there. When you get to this point, you can either hold it for about 30 seconds or so, or what I like to do is you can paddle your legs back and forth, your feet up and down, which is a really good way to kind of stretch the back side of your legs there. If you'd like to, you can lean into it a little bit more, do the same thing. Paddle your legs through, maybe for about 30 seconds or so, and see if you can try 2 to 3 times of those. Next stretch is called a kneeling hip flexor stretch, which is the muscle group in the front of your hip. If you were to get down to one knee, almost like you're proposing to your girlfriend, with one knee on the ground and one leg forward, tilt your pelvis back a little bit and then lean forward, and you should feel the stretch in the front of the thigh on the leg with the knee on the ground. If I were to look from the side, one leg forward, one knee down, tilt your pelvis back a little bit, lean forward slightly, and you should feel that stretch in the front of the thigh. It's a really good stretch. It's something I should probably do a little bit more. So we've just done a bunch of stretches for your lower legs. Now let's focus on the upper body a little bit. One stretch that's really good for your triceps and the back side of your shoulder is a cross arm stretch. So you could simply move your arm across your body with the opposite arm, reach under your elbow and pull slightly. I like to hold that for 20 or 30 seconds, same thing 2 to 3 times. When you're done, simply switch other side. Go ahead, rotate back and forth, do 2 to 3 repetitions for each side. Great, let's move on to the last stretch for your pec group. What I'd like you to do is get your arm in a 99-degree angle. See if you can find a good corner or a doorway to do this in. Put your arm up against the wall and lean forward slightly. Feel that stretch in your pec group. To show you from the back side, same thing, arm in a 90-degree angle, up against the wall, lean forward slightly. Hold for about 20 to 30 seconds or so, and then relax. Great job on finishing flexibility day. Any of those stretches that you particularly like, feel free to integrate them in your daily activities if you'd like. It's a great way to make yourself a little bit more flexible, which would help you with some daily activities that you'd like to do. Ultimately, it just feels really good. So if you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment below how the day went for you, and make sure you check out day 4 coming up.